Friends, in this video, I will show how to install YouTube apps on Windows 11. So, let's start. After installing YouTube apps, we can see a shortcut icon on the desktop. Let's see, how can I install YouTube? At first, go to YouTube from your internet browser. Now click the Install option in the upper search box, and click Install App. YouTube app install is done. Click Yes if you pin YouTube app in your taskbar. Now, close all tab. This is installed YouTube apps shortcut, and we can browse YouTube from here. I hope you all understand this easy and simple helpful video tutorial about installing YouTube apps on Windows 10 or 11. As same as we can browse YouTube from taskbar icon. Friends, let's get started to install YouTube apps on your computer after watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.